Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Ogbuefi Ezeana and ugochitubelu na Oraifite, ma be kpọọ m Akajugo. I'm an ancient high priest. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na ugochitubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi rụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ people you must avoid in life. Ana m ebe a ka m gwa gị you must avoid toxic people. Those people that they are in their dreams is always to pull you down. Destiny killers, joy killers, they have. They will never contribute anything for your growth. They will never contribute anything for peace of mind. They will never contribute anything for you to move from point A to point B. Those friends that always put you on expenses. Those ones that will always tell you the happening places in town. They will tell you so many things that will take out money from you. They will never give you advice that will give you money and put money in your pocket. But anything concerning them is to how to spend money. You must avoid them. You must avoid those people that always try to put enmity between you and your friends. You must avoid them. Those people that are always, their mindset is always to make sure that they destroy relationship between you and your family members. How to know toxic people. If they know you're a trader, they know a rich man that normally give you goods, they will try as much as possible to go there and destroy your relationship with that importer. That person that is helping you or want to help you, they will go there and tarnish your image. You must avoid them. You don't do a can't move. And you must avoid them. But before we dive into today's lecture, don't forget that we are still in the 3rd month of March, according to Roman calendar. If you want to join us in our monthly rituals, group rituals we are doing, you can reach me on my WhatsApp number. You see it on the screen. We started this group rituals over 4 years now. We have massive testimonies. This morning I have gone to the temple to make declarations and sacrifices and rituals upon the lives of those that join us, friends of the temple, children of the temple, members of Ordinary Restoration Evangelical Mission, and consecrated group. Yes, we have done it. Yes. So if you are interested in joining us, what you have to do is chat me on WhatsApp, forward 3 prayer requests, and make token donation to the account number. My WhatsApp number remains 0805 78 37 672. I repeat, 0805 78 37 672. Now, let's proceed. I'm here to tell you people you must avoid in life. And I can tell you that one of the reasons why you are not succeeding is that you are not keeping the right people as friends. You are not keeping the right circle of friends. You are keeping bitter souls as friends. And how will you know those people that don't want their greatness, they want their downfall? Those people that always think and brag, they want to put you into trouble. They will be happy if they put you down. They are like someone drawing, as in drawing in the sea or in the river. You know, if you want to save whoever that is drawing, he or she will like to draw you join. So those people that always want their downfall, they will do everything humanly possible to put you into trouble, to rubbish your image, because they're already down. They lose nothing. So their primary intention to go down with you. Their own is that they won't go down alone. They want to go down, but they want to go down with you. Those people is people you must avoid. Yes. Avoid them no matter how sugar-coated tongue, because some of them might place matter. Some of them might place matter by trying to reset your brain with sugar-coated tongues. But deep down them, they are devil incarnate. They are in your life to cause doom. They are in your life for no reason. Something good, nothing good. They are in your life to cause more harm than good. You must avoid them. Those people that are so toxic in nature, they are so toxic in nature. And what they always do, they will not contribute to you making more die. They will never bring any good idea as in to catapult you from point A to point B. What they will try as much as possible to bring enmity between your existing friends, people that matters in your life. They will make sure they put enmity between you and your parents. They will make sure they put enmity between you and your siblings and their family members. Do you know why they want to do it? It's for it to be easier for them to devour you. Do not allow them. Quote me anywhere. Yes. Their primary intention is to always complain to your people, destroying your reputation, destroy the bond, destroy the family bonds between you and your family members. They complain a lot. They can even lie, because their primary reason is to destroy that bond that once existed between you and your family members. And believe in me, if you allow them, after destroying your family members, they will come after you. And why they want to destroy you and your family members is that so that nobody will save you. They avoid them. Those friends that will always show you joints or tell you other things you will be doing, you will be spending your money on, but they will never bring any idea that will make you to make more money. Avoid them. They are very toxic in nature. They will see a friend of yours that is dear to you. Maybe the person is giving you more business idea. Maybe the person is making you happy. They want to destroy it, because they have ulterior motive. Avoid them. Sometimes we are looking at what is our problem, thinking that our problem is far-fetched. But I can tell you, without missing words, that some of our problems is within. So make sure you can never be higher than your circle of friends. Make sure that your circle of friends is not only people you are better off, because those people you are better off will depend on you, on your grace, for their own benefit. They are there to make you. They don't have anything to bring to the table. Rather, keep circle of friends, people that are higher than you in one way or the other, because there are some certain things you benefit from keeping them as friends. Yes. Avoid those people that will castigate you. What they want you to always make wrong choices, because genuinely they don't love you. I will advise you to avoid such friends. If you are the only one holding the relationship between you and your friend, circle of friends, or you are the only rich person you are the highest among the circle of friends, you have to rethink. You need to have circle of friends that is better than you in one way or the other, because you gonna need their betterment. You need what they are better off. You need to tap from the grace in from the area where they are better than you. So stop keeping friends those people that they are better than, because they will keep you within their range. But if you have circle of friends, people that is better than you in all ramification, it become a challenge. They become role model in their area of specialization. You will be looking up to them to meet up with them. Therefore, you will do more exploit to meet up with them, because they become your role model. But if you are keeping circle of friends where you are the champion, believe in me, you will not add up. Instead, you will be diminishing, because all of them will depend on your own grace. Don't mind their talk. Some of them are talkatives. Things are so easy for them. But if you ask them to show you results of what they have achieved, they talking. They don't have any good result to show for what they have achieved. So I will advise you that everything is not all about no money they make, no money they make. Whatever that is imaginable is achievable. So imagine and plan your life. Where do you want to be in the next 2 years, in the next 5 years, next 10 years? This circle of friends you are keeping, these people you are keeping as your wife, as husband, as confidants, these people, is it people that will contribute or ginger you? Do you know in life there are some people that for them to be great, in their life they need a push. So do you have such people that always be a motivating factor, motivator to you, to motivate you, for you to move from point A to point B? But if you don't have such people in the circle of your friends, people in your circle of your friends is people you are better off. Believe in me, you will not reach your potential. So for you to reach your potential, maintain good friends. Those good friends that you benefit from. Those good friends you will benefit from. Keep them as your friends. Keep them as your friends. Those good friends you benefit from, keep them as your friends. Avoid those your friends that are not bringing anything to the table, because they will drain your energy. You find out that every time they have made you a talkative, every time you are sad, every time you are on the talking, every time your mood is down, avoid them for a reason. I will advise you to make everything humanly possible to ensure that you keep the right people with the right energy. Those people that their energy is always negative, they are not progressive minds. They don't understand the fact that how you want your tomorrow to be, you create it today. That is principle of life. You want better tomorrow, create that better tomorrow today. So always don't throw yourself to anybody. Follow people based on the agahawatan. If you are making friends, if you are getting married, you are a man, you are a woman, keep on checking the person you are going out with or person you want to marry. This person is his person that will give you perpetual peace. Look well before you jump. That is the message of today. Whoever you are want to spend the rest of your life with must be somebody that is positive. That's somebody that you understand their dreams. And that's somebody that is willing to key into your dreams. Yes, very important. Somebody that is going with the same place you are going. Do you know how to know toxic people? Toxic people, when they lose, they will ensure that everybody lose. Once they lose, they will ensure that everybody around them lose too. They are very toxic in nature. Avoid them because they are destroyers, they are joy killers. If whoever you have future with does not have a Marshall plan where the person want to be in next 2 years, 4, 5 years, 10 years, leave that person. That person is not focused. If you have Marshall plan of where you want to be, and the person in question you want to spend the rest of your life don't have plans of where you want to be, keeping that person will drain you. Because the person is not focused, doesn't know where he's going. What he or she wants maybe to move. The person will only drain your own energy. So what is important is make sure your spirit of discernment is very active. Don't allow their intellectual talking, because some people will sugar-coated tongue. They will sweet tongue you. But if you are doing with them, the spirit of discernment will always be there. Remember, in nature, it's not spirits that will find a wife for you. Yes. Because Genesis, Adam was given a wife. Adam woke up and said, "Oh, and since that time, okay, I've removed hand in finding a wife for you." That is why you have 1 million people out there that will suit you. The only thing is that you have to make the right choice. So you will find yourself, and if you find a good person, you receive blessing from the gods. But whether the gods will find a wife for you when you are sleeping, slumbering, never. It will never happen. You do it yourself. So know the principle. Focus on where you are going. Focus on somebody that you have the same ideology, the same character, you hold the same vision, going the same place. It shall be well with you. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672. Let us pray. Ekwem, ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya gazie. May the blessings of Chukwu be with you all. May you be protected, may you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie, udo dịrị unu.